Okay, these are important formulae. Okay. For this, sine square plus cos square theta is 1. Then this is another set of trigonometric identity. Then this is another set. Then this is inverse. And this. All this you should know. ये फॉर्मूले आना चाहिए तभी हम कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस करो. ओके, फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. फिफ्थ का प्रूव द फॉलोइंग प्रॉब्लम करेंगे. ओके, sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, 1 minus sin theta. Sec theta 1 upon cos theta, tan theta sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, this is left hand side. So this is LCM is same. Okay, so we can group it. So we can write it 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta, and here 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Now this 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta is equal to formula a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So it will become 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, that we will write it there. Okay. So that will become 1 minus sin square theta upon cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta, because a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, and this is 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta upon cos square theta. Cut. That is equal to 1. That is equal to right hand side. Okay, I hope you got this. Next we do second problem. Okay, we do second problem. Take left hand side. Put the value of sec theta. Use the formula is written. Write sec theta 1 upon cos theta plus tan is sin theta upon cos theta, and keep it like this. And now group it. LCM is same, so it will become 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. But we saw this formula. This will become 1 minus sin square theta. That will become 1 minus sin square theta upon cos theta, because a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. But 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta. So that will become cos square theta upon cos theta. We can cut it one time. That will become cos theta. That is equal to right hand side. I hope you got this. Next we do another problem. Okay, now we will do third problem. These are the formula. We put this here. Okay, 1 upon cos square theta, 1 upon, this is cosec is 1 upon sin. So 1 upon sin square theta. That is left hand side. Okay, cross multiply. That will become sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta dot sin square theta. But sin square plus cos square theta is 1. So that will become 1 upon cos square theta into sin square theta. That to break it like this, 1 upon cos square theta dot 1 upon sin square theta. So but 1 upon cos is sec, that will become sec square theta dot 1 upon sin is cosec, so it will become cosec theta. Okay, that is equal to right hand side. Okay, next we will do fourth one. Okay, fourth problem, we will use this formula. Cot square theta is here, so that we write it as cosec square theta minus 1 minus tan square theta is the sec square theta minus 1. Okay. Now you open the bracket, it will become cosec square theta minus 1 minus sec square theta minus 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 plus 1. Cut it. So you will get cosec square theta minus sec square theta, that is equal to right hand side. Okay. Next we'll do fifth problem. Fifth problem. Okay. Left hand side is this. Tan square theta is common, is there? Okay. Common. Tan square theta is common. Okay. So take it outside. That will become tan square theta. It will become tan square theta plus 1. So we can rearrange it. Tan square theta. Rearrange it 1 plus tan square theta. But what is 1 plus tan square theta? Okay. So that will become tan square theta into sec square theta. Clear? But right hand side 6 raised to 4 is coming. Mean we have to convert this. Convert this to sec. Mean there is a formula is there. So that you apply here. Okay. So that will become sec square theta minus 1 into sec square theta. Now you multiply this. 6 raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta. That is equal to right hand side. I hope you got this. Next we'll do sixth problem. Okay, sixth problem. First take left hand side. इसके बाद multiply करेंगे यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे. That will become 1 plus sin theta. And this will go that side 1 minus sin theta. Divided by 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta. Okay. This cut 1 plus 1 plus 1. That will become 2 upon. Now this is formula 1 minus sin square theta, because formula is there. A minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. So 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So, but we know that formula 1 minus sin square is cos square theta. So 2 upon cos square theta. But 1 upon cos is sec. So 2 into 1 upon cos square theta, that is equal to 2 dot sec square theta, that is equal to right hand side. Next we do seventh one. Okay, seventh problem, important. We have the formula. You know, see, a raised to 6, we can write it as a raised to square the cube. Okay. So a raised to 6 minus b raised to 6, we can write it like this, a raised to cube minus b raised to cube. Same thing we write it here. Okay. So 6 raised to 6x, we can write it as 6 raised to square x the whole cube. Okay. That we will write it here. That will become 6 square x the whole cube minus tan square x the whole cube. Okay, take left hand side. Now we have the formula a cube minus b cube. Okay, that we will apply it. Okay. So this is a and this is b. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Put it, so it will become a is x square x minus b is tan square x, a is x square x, b is tan square x. That will become x square x raised to 4. Okay, that will become plus a is x square x dot tan square x plus b square, mean it is tan square x the whole square. Okay. But this is 1. So it will become 1 and this will become x square x the whole square plus x square x dot tan square x Okay, so that will become tan square x the whole square. Okay, that will become 6 square x the whole square plus, take here 6 square x. Okay, take it as 6 square x dot tan square x plus tan square x square plus, here we will make it into this expansion formula. Here we are, one time is given, take it as three times again. Okay, we took this, that's why I take plus 3 6 square x dot tan square x. So the adding, okay, this plus, we have to balance it. Okay. Now we will group this part. Okay, so that will become this is 1 minus 3 2, so that will become 6 square x the whole square, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 6 square x tan square x plus tan square x the whole square plus 3 6 square x dot tan square x. Okay, now this is nothing but formula. Okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square. So this will become 6 square x minus tan square x the whole square plus 3 into 6 square x dot tan square x. Okay, but this is 1, so that is equal to 1 plus 3 6 square x dot tan square x, that is equal to right hand side. I think it is complicated, but you have to remember it. Next time we will do easy method. Okay, okay, we will do easy method. Okay, rearrange it. Okay, rearrange the question. Okay, bring it this side. Okay. Take it this side, minus 3 6 square x dot tan square x is equal to 1. Okay, so left hand side. Okay, so here a minus b is okay. Take it as 1 here. Okay. 1, but that 1 is equal to this, so instead of 1 we write 6 square x minus tan square x, because that is 1. Okay, now this is fitting here, this formula, it is fitting. Okay, so we can write it like this, 6 square x the whole cube minus tan square x the whole cube minus 3 6 square x dot tan square x 6 square x minus tan square x. So, but a cube minus b cube minus 3 ab a minus b is equal to a minus b the whole cube. Therefore, here a is 6 square x. Okay, a is equal to 6 square x, b is equal to tan square x. So we'll get this. This will become a is 6 square x and b is tan square x the whole cube. But we know this is 1, So 1 cube, that is equal to 1. That is equal to right hand side. I hope you got this. Next we do 8th problem. Easy method. Just rearrange the questions. Okay. Cross multiply. It will become tan square theta is equal to sec theta minus 1 sec theta plus 1. But that is equal to sec square theta minus 1 because a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore sec theta minus 1 sec theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Okay. But we know it is tan square theta. So, but that is equal to tan square theta. So, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, I hope you got that. Let's do next one. Okay, rationalize it. That will become tan theta sec theta minus 1. This is the formula. So a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this will become sec square theta minus 1. But this is nothing but tan square theta. So that will become tan theta into sec theta minus 1 upon tan square theta. Cut this. That will become sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. That is equal to right hand side. Okay. I hope you got that. Next we do another problem. So this is the formula you have to use, and this is another formula. So write it like this. Take 1 cube. 1 cube is 1. Write it like this. Okay, now this apply this formula. Okay, so that will become a minus b. A square, a is equal to tan theta, b is equal to 1. Okay, apply this formula. And here a square, I mean it will become tan square theta and ab and tan theta into 1 plus b square is 1 square upon tan theta minus 1. You can cut this. Now it will become tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1 square is 1. Now we rearrange it. Okay, rearrange it. 1 plus tan square theta plus tan theta, but 1 plus tan square is sec square theta. So that will become sec square theta plus tan theta. That is equal to right hand side. Okay, I hope you got this. Next we do 10th problem. Okay, 10th problem. It's important. First we'll simplify the question. Okay, these are the formulas. Okay, theorem on equal ratio. You can add it or you can subtract it. I'll say that. First we'll simplify the question. Okay, we'll interchange it. Okay, here also interchange. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 is equal to, you interchange this part also. Sec theta minus tan theta. Okay. Therefore, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 sin theta, this is inverted, okay, it is inverted. When you interchange, it is called inverted. sec, so that is equal to 1 upon cos theta. It is sin theta upon cos theta. Cos theta is common, okay. That will become 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So here we will see this part. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. Now see this part. Okay, we got up to here. Now we will use this formula. Okay. Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. We split it on two parts. Cos theta is 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. We want this part here, 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So bring this here. So it will become cos theta and bring it here. 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Now apply the theorem on equal ratio. By theorem on equal ratio. Okay. You just subtracted, okay. Subtracted. Cos theta minus 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. So now expand it. It will become cos theta minus 1 plus sin theta. And here we will get 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta is 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So we have to arrange it like this. Therefore, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 and sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. I hope you got this. Next we do another problem.